Hello everybody. Right, okay, so we had our Video Creators Club creators meeting yesterday, which was really good, really well attended. Lots of people coming with great ideas, sharing ideas, and also tips and stuff that they've learned themselves. We also announced the winner of our members competition, which was to create your welcome to my YouTube channel video, and the winner was Natalie King, the confidence coach. So congratulations to Natalie. She won 2 hours of professional editing from ourselves as part of our editing service. And next month, our members competition is to have the best YouTube channel. So we're looking forward to seeing what everybody does with their YouTube channels and sending them through. And they will also win 2 hours of professional editing from ourselves. So that's it. I just wanted to say congratulations to Natalie and to say to everybody, good job, well done. And unfortunately, there can only be one winner. So if you're interested in and learning more about video, creating it, understanding it, and using it in your business to improve your visibility, credibility, and increase sales, then feel free to give us a shout about our Video Creators Club and how we can help you. All right. Cheers then. Bye-bye.